In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bullet and sub-bullet points list on Google Docs. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Docs. Let's open a blank document from here. To be simple, you can add the bullet points from the menu bar. Click on this icon and a bullet point should appear on your display. Now add your text and press Enter on your keyboard to add the next bullet point. If you want to add a sub-bullet point, press Tab on your keyboard and this will turn your bullet point into a sub-bullet point. Just like before, write your text and press Enter to add the next sub-bullet point. If you press Tab on a sub-bullet point, you can add a second sub-bullet point under the first one. After writing your text, if you want to go back to the first sub-bullet point, take an empty sub-bullet point like this one and press Enter on your keyboard. Here you can see that I have returned to the first sub-bullet point. Now I can write here again. If you want to go back to the main bullet point list, just like before, take another empty sub-bullet point and press Enter on your keyboard. Now, what if your list is already in your document and you have to add bullet points to this existing list? To do this, select the whole list. In the menu bar, click on Format. In the drop-down menu, click on Bullets and Numbering. In the pop-up menu, you can select Numbered List or Bullet List. Select your preferred design from the list. If you want to add sub-bullet points here, go to the end of a bullet point and press Enter. Just like before, press Tab on an empty bullet point to open a sub-bullet point list. Now let's see the customization. Click one time on the bullet points. This will select the entire bullet point list. Now, if you want to change it to a numbered list, just click on the numbered icon in the menu bar, and your list will turn into a numbered list. You can do this for the previous sub-bullet points also. You can customize your bullet points more thoroughly in Google Docs. Double-click on a bullet point. This will select a single bullet point. Now right-click on the selected bullet point. In the pop-up, you can see some other options to customize also. From here, click on More Bullets. Here you get a vast library of symbols to use as bullet points. In the pop-up, click on the Symbol menu. Here you can select the type of symbols you want. Let's select emoji, for example. From here, you can select any emoji you want, and your bullet points will change into your selected emoji. Following these steps, you can add and customize your bullet points very easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.